story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
I was nominated by Sil and Cut to do the egg challenge. So, I have egg home. But I want fresh egg because if you enough egg I gotta eat. If you enough egg, I gotta make sure I get my egg then. So I'm ready for this, guys. I'm ready for the egg challenge. I'm gonna go through. So I can see how much of them I can eat. I think I'm gonna do like I think I'm gonna have like 7 of them instead of 6. I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna actually eat these eggs for my dinner while doing the challenge, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Guys, as I was telling you guys, I was nominated by Sil and Cut to do the egg challenge. So how much will we eat? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's try to do 7. So yes, people, I'm gonna try to eat 7 eggs. Now how much minutes? Them say 5 minutes. But I'm gonna try to go 2 or 3 minutes. No more than that. You understand? Normally when I eat egg, I normally eat 4 at a time. I always eat them fast. So guys, I'm about to put egg them into the water. Come here, show you everything what I do, you know. Stay right there. 2 gone in already. And then egg are easy to boil. Let me show you. Oops, see? 1 broke. There. 1 broke. I'm sure the Sprite rotted. 1 broke, them easy to crack. What's that? 2, 4, 6. So I'm gonna do 7, guys. I actually just bought these eggs. I'm gonna do 7. I'm not gonna say oh me I was 1. You understand? The egg that grieve me, we're just cracking up. I'm gonna dash it because I'm not gonna use it now. So people, sit back and wait for the egg done boil now. Just sit back and relax and wait for the egg to finish boil. As I said, I'm taking up on the whole process before I even start eat the egg. So I'm just stay right there. Egg a boil. But I'm not playing thing with it, you know. Egg a boil. You see that? Yeah, a 7 egg me I work with. Them say 6, I go 7. So yes guys, as you can see, I have my 7 egg there. And I'm going to take the shell off because I'm not going to do the challenge with the shell on. So yes guys, let me remove my shell. My eggs right here. I'm going to set up my camera now. I like my egg spicy. Guys, so I put black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. I like spicy egg. Them say 6, but I go 7, guys. Yes, people, so let's get into the video. Let me see how much minutes I'm going to take to eat all of these eggs. So yes guys, this is my 7 eggs right here. Thumbnail have to be up. And I'm going to start to eat my egg. Are you ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me eat fast. Fuck up. I'm gonna eat nothing. It's that rice or something. Can you drink some water? You can do some water? The yolk, the stroke, you know? Made it hungry. Egg yolk. Dangerous. Ooh. On that front. Guys, this is egg trash. Egg thin. Egg trash. Egg trash. When I order peel egg, and I peel off it good. No bad. Woo. 7. Right. My coffee. I want to have this empty. Whew. So guys, I was under 5 minutes. I think I did like 3 minutes and something. Because I did a talk before I start the video. Guys, I am so full. But don't think me, I gotta if we don't nominate some people. I nominate 4 people for the challenge here. I nominate Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle for the challenge here. I nominate Body Blocks Music for the challenge here. Who else may I nominate? CDE TV. I think I leave you out. I nominate CDE TV to do the challenge here. And the next person who I nominate for do the challenge here, Ren As I Am. Yes, Ren As I Am. Nothing gonna get where. So yes guys, I did 7 egg. Everybody do 6, I do 7. Oh, I was actually choking. I'm a bit hungry too, you know. You decided so? I'm a dinner. So I want to say a big thanks to each and every one of you guys who come out and watch my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend about Life with Crocodile Dance. Guys, let's try sauce egg to eat. I'm about to eat one of them bread here. I don't want some. I'm about to eat one of them bread here, guys, because hungry. That's coming like a sauce for meat. A sauce for meat, that's enough. So yes, people. I don't want some. But the bed don't want to come out. You make me be great. What's up? Guys. Bye guys. I am out. The problem is not when you fall. The problem is when you fall and fail to rise. Because some of the most successful people in our life have a story.